Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Viralninja.io. Viralninja.io is an AI-powered tool designed to help you grow fast on social media by creating viral content, tracking trends, and generating ideas quickly. First, go to the ninjaviral.io website and create an account. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all the tools. Now start by entering a topic or keyword related to your content. For example, if you're a fitness creator, tap workout tips or healthy meals. The AI will instantly give you trending, consistent ideas, post captions, video titles, and hashtags based on your topic. Next, choose a platform you're tagging like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Viralninja customizes the content style for the platform, so your post sounds right for your audience. After that, you can use the post generator to write captions, scripts, or even full blog posts. If you don't like the first result, just click again and it gives you more options. It also suggests hashtags to help boost your reach. If you're not sure what's trending, Viralninja has a trend finder. Just check the trending tab and it shows popular topics and viral content in your niche. You can then build your content around what people are already engaging with. Once your content is ready, you can copy it and post it directly to your social media accounts. Viralninja doesn't auto-post, but it makes content creation super fast and easy. To get the most out of it, try using the tool daily or a few times a week. Keep feeding it your niche ideas, and you'll always have something fresh and viral to share. In short, Viralninja.io helps you save time, find great ideas, and post content that people love. It's a powerful tool if you want to grow fast on social media. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.